This will be a showcase of the Combat Tracker Groups module for Foundry Virtual Tabletop. This module is meant to be a solution to a common problem, having way too many combatants in the combat tracker at once, and having no way to organize them. The module also provides an easy way to roll initiative for multiple combatants at once. The module does this by adding toggles to the combat tracker, which contain groups of combatants. You can set which mode you would like to use for grouping the combatants at the top of the combat tracker. The current modes are None, Initiative, Name, Selection, and Players. None mode is just like the default, while Initiative allows you to sort your combatants by their initiative value, and Name lets you sort them alphabetically by their name. Selection allows you to make custom groups by selecting a group of tokens, and it will automatically group them together for you. In Players mode, combatants are grouped by their owners. Therefore, if a combatant is associated with an actor that has more than one owner, it will be in a separate group from the combatants with just one of those owners. Here you can see how easy it is to open and close toggles and group combatants however you want. As I said earlier, the Combat Tracker Groups module also allows you to roll bulk initiative for your combatants. You can do this by holding the Control or Shift key while pressing on the Initiative button in the combat tracker. Any other method of rolling initiative won't do this. It will give all of the combatants in the same group as the one you've just clicked on, the same initiative. Popping out the combat tracker also works wonderfully, with all of the same capabilities. If you like this module and my other works, please consider supporting me on Patreon. It really helps. Currently, you can only get this module as a patron because it is an early access, but soon it will be available for all to enjoy. Cheers.